everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a magnetic cell phone stand. So I'm going to show you guys what this is and how it works here. Let's open it up here together and we'll show you everything that it comes with. So this is what it looks like here. So this is going to be the device, but I'm going to show you the other accessories right now. I won't need them because my phone is magnetic already, but it comes with some wet wipes so you can clean the back of your case. It comes with a little metal ring. So if you have like a phone that doesn't have the magnetic backing, you can use that. So if you don't have Magsafe, and then you've got this here, which is this is just the measure, so you can upgrade your non-magnetic phone to one. So this here, so you can measure to find where to attach this. But my phone has the little ring, you see, so it's got the magnetic already to it. So the way this will work is it should magnetically attach, and there it is. Now it's magnetically attached. So it gives me the ability to use it as a stand. So let me see. So if I was to go like this, I could use it as a stand. I don't have a phone in here right now because I'm filming with my phone, so I have no weight to it. But you get the idea. This thing here, when you open it up, watch what happens when I open this up. You can see it there, it kind of snapped into place. So that's what kind of holds it open. So then if I put it on something like this here, you see, it'll just stay up. How cool is that? So now I have a stand, and then when you want to put it away and not use the stand anymore, you can just flip it up and just snaps back closed again. And you can take it off and put it in your pocket or whatever. But this would be great to bring like on an airplane or something like that where you want to just watch a show or whatever. Then you can just kind of snap it onto your phone when you want to use it, have it there, and then when you're done you can take it off and stick it back in your luggage. So it's one that I wouldn't necessarily keep on all the time. Some of those handles and things you'll keep on all the time. This one here, not necessarily all the time. I mean, I don't think you really use this handle. It would be weird, but it's a great stand. So this is going in my travel case because I'm always on an airplane, and so then I'll be able to just watch my phone by just putting it on the stand. How cool is that? So it's a really nice little device. I'm going to say thumbs up for sure. This is staying with me, so it's great. I like it. Thumbs up.